What's up, guys? Good morning. How you doing there, Nassar? Good morning. Yep, I'm on TikTok as well. Yep, I'm on both. It's gotta break 620. It's gotta break 620. SDOT. Gotta break 620. Possibly get back to this $7 high. This thing ran like crazy SDOT and then just collapsed. Algorithms testing liquidity. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Night Owl. Look at it. XOS, baby. Yeah. Love it. Love it. Hopefully you guys caught some of this XOS. I was on the watch list and it literally did everything I asked for it to do. So that's good. LASC did a great job. Right now it's sitting at 314, hit 338, so it's a little laggy right now. HEBC's starting to move a little bit. Not a whole lot to sink your teeth into this Wednesday morning. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, David. Raul. Good morning, guys. Michael, good morning. Captain. Come on, breakthrough. There we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Remember, I wouldn't trust SDOT below 620. Yeah, so I didn't really never say never. What's up, buddy? Look at that, though. Obliterated again. Woo. It's tough. It's tough, tough, tough. It's a tough market. SDOT, there we go. Now it's at 626, 630. A 1 minute chart. Let it stabilize up there a little bit. Break through. And here we go. That's why I said you got to wait for that 620 to go. Once it breaks 620, I mean, right there you had, you had 40 cents right there. It's too expensive for me. If I jump in a $7 stock, then I go through my money pretty quickly. So, hey, thanks, Mitchell. Thanks for the hearts, me. Don't forget to share that I'm live, guys. I've been shadow banned now for freaking ever. It doesn't even matter anymore. LASC had a good little run, 338, and it came back down slowly but surely. Full on algorithm play there. They do have a toxic agent, 8C Wainwright, LASC. It's probably why it's doing what it's doing. All right, KUST. What is this? KUST. What's the news? Gonna go to my website. I'm gonna check trap detector. So here's some of the tools that I use. I check this, KUST. All right, it's dirty. She dirty girl. Dirty girl. All right. If you're subscribed to full access on my website, then you have access to the trap detector and the day trade analyzer there. And then here you can go through and read why it scored the way it is. Reverse split language, price under $5, at the market equity distribution language. Recent news catalyst found 603. Oh, hey, look at that. That's today. Recent 424B3 prospectus filing. All right. Well, that's why. The good thing is it's not nuclear, so it's not super dangerous, but it's freaking close. All right, what is the news? Trade context. Reverse split language detected. Common penny stock. Red flag. That was 6-4, which is 6-4. I'm sorry. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with my I went full on dyslexic there. That was full on dyslexia right there. I took these numbers and I flipped them. I said 6, 4, 22. I didn't even see the 20, 26. Whoa. Wow. Oh, that's just I'm okay. I'm okay. We'll figure that out. All right. So anyways, so let's go back to it and just put that back where I was using it. So here's KUST 286 at volume weighted average price. These are old. These are old. Let's see if they're still in play. They're levels. They're just levels. Oh, look at that. There's a gap at 456. 456. Gaparoo. So there we go. There's the gap. Debbie says SELX. There's SELX making a move right now. There's some other previous targets on it right here. So yeah, so these targets are in play. Looks like it gapped down quite a bit here on a 1-minute chart on KUST. KUST, it is above volume weighted average price. I don't like the way this is looking right at the moment. It looks like it's going to come right back down like most stocks. It spikes and then it dumps, which is what it's looking at. Hey, bud, I don't have access to the analyzer trap detector. You should. It should be working just fine for you. If you're subscribed full access, which you are, you should be able to get in there like I am. You just have to be logged into the website. You literally have to be logged in. Here, I'll show you. So up at the top here, you see how I'm in there? You got to be logged in. If you're logged in, it'll let you jump around between day trade analyzer and trap detector, just like that. And then you can put in stuff and whatever, but you have to be logged in. That's it. That back. Oh man, put that back. Where are you gonna go? There we go. Hey, good morning, Gonzo. All right, let's see if KUST can break out. Let's just try 50 shares there. Oh, it didn't buy me in. Maybe that's a good thing. Oh, okay, it just bought me in. I'm still sleepy. I haven't had my first cup of coffee yet, so we'll see what happens if I can make a couple bucks here on 50 shares of this. Well, that's not nice. KUST. I was playing the breakout. I was playing the breakout and I got smacked. Look at that. Smacked right in the nose. She got me. She got me. SELX. It's not really doing much. Kind of doing the same thing. Spiked. Threw up this little candle right here with this top wick and then dropped right below volume weighted average price. Like this one's doing. Wow, this one's just wanting to take my money now. That was unfortunate. I was playing that breakout. I thought it was gonna do it right there. We'll see. I thought one, two, three, third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Didn't happen, you know? Oh well. All right. SELX back over volume weighted average price. All right. Well, we'll keep looking. Uh, on SELX, I think possibly if it can get back over 50 cents, it could go up. I'm not liking the pattern on the chart. Just like this one did its little double top right here. This one's kind of doing the same thing. Except I was going off of, hey, third time's a charm on this thing. I thought it was going to break out. It didn't. I jumped in a little early. Jumped in just a hair early. Do you mean YMAT instead of YMAP, Larry? Yes. Okay. Yeah. So YMAT, again, it's below volume weighted average price. That's bearish. Obviously, it pumped. It pumped yesterday a little bit. After hours, there you go. 180, hit 192, came back down. Couldn't break 170, came back down, broke through volume weighted average price. So as you see, if you're looking at the MACD, I'm sorry, not at the MACD. If you're looking at the chart here on YMAT, every time it spikes over volume weighted average price, it gets pulled right back down under. So this tested a bunch of times, finally broke through a little bit and broke through a lot. Again, broke through and sucked right down below. So the possibility is that this thing gets back over volume weighted average price. For how long? Uncertain, but it does look like it has a chance to get back over volume weighted average price. As long as the volume keeps moving. Right now we're at 11.88 million on a float of 404,000. It's already done its average volume, so that's good. Pre-market when it does its average market or average volume in pre-market, it's usually pretty good. So, so there you go. Yeah, I think it can get back up to volume weighted average price, maybe 164. And if it can continue that volume, that momentum, then we're thinking about possibly getting back to that 192. As long as that volume just keeps pumping, we should be okay. Man, TikTok major lag. Yeah. Oh, that sucks, man. Yep. That sucks. That's how it does it, man. This is how Tickety Talk does it. So, yep, that's where we're at on YMAT. If YMAT breaks 132, if it breaks 132, she's probably gonna come back down to the 119s. And if she breaks 119, she's gonna fall and fall. And if she can't hold the dollar, she's gonna drop down there. Yes, sir. Hit the like, the follow, the share. Boy, it faked me out. This one faked me out here. I'm gonna let it just sit there. I only have 50 shares, so nothing crazy, but I'm already down 50 cents. So that frickin' sucks. That is no bueno. Faked me out. Faked me out. LASC could possibly be doing an inverted head and shoulder pattern on a 1-minute chart. Let's see what a 5-minute looks like on that thing. 5-minute chart doesn't look that great. I mean, it's basically trading sideways between, we'll say 137 and, I mean, 337 and 285. LASC. PMI. Here you go, dear. And BNRG. There we go. BNRG. We played this before. All right. And here's PMI. 3280. There we go. BNRG over $2. Boom. Shakalaka. Yep. BNRG. Here's some targets here for you. You got 1 and 2, 12, 212, 252. And if it can get through that, we're going to probably say about 292 on that one. Oh, geez, wrong button. Oh, boy. Oh, geez. 292. There you go. There's 3 targets for you. Not a guarantee that they'll hit them, but there you go. It's on the screen there for BNRG. Where are we at? Pulled back, spiked up 210, pulled back. Okay. PMI is just, I'm not a huge fan of PMI. Yeah, no. Private mortgage insurance, no. I'm just kidding. Jesus, come on, man. What's up on my mama? LOL, GameStop up 11 cents, 11%. Good for them. Good for them. All right, so as you can see, PMI can possibly get it back up to that 41 cents, but where's it going to go if it does get through it? All right, well, it gets stuck at that 330. Here we go. Let's see if my chart will start to play games with me here again. God, I fucking hate Webull right now. Webull's going through some changes because supposedly tomorrow is when they get rid of their PDT. Supposedly. We'll see. That's what I'm hearing. Okay, this is driving me nuts. Yeah, I'd say real hard resistance right about here. It won't let me freaking, it won't do the line. What is that? 339. Above that, you got some gaps at 79 cents. Possibility of him filling those gaps pretty good. Hey, there we go. My line's back. Woo-hoo. Just took a little frustration on my part to to get those back. There's one there, and then there's one at 84. Two gaps, two little gaps. Far away from where it's at right now. So, I mean, if you're one of those lottery players, that's kind of what you're thinking. You're thinking lottery there. Yep. Let's see. IRE. Expansive. All right, Lace, back to 325. Man, this thing's all over the place. There's your little inverted head and shoulder pattern that I said I saw. There's the break right there. So that's the neckline, 322. A breakout would be above 330. My opinion, 330 would be a breakout. New high in pre-market here. Yeah, in pre-market, not after hours. Yeah, let me know. Let me know, Night Owl. Hey guys, hit the like, the follow, the share. I don't know what's going on. There's only 36 of you in here. There was like 32 in here. I have no idea what's going on. Hey, Cree, good morning. BNRG's doing okay as long as it doesn't continue this pattern right here, because this is a bad pattern. This is the one that people get stuck in. So let's see if it breaks. And there you go. Little bit, little bit. Let's see. No. Come on, man. You got to break back over $2. Gots to get over $2 hairs there. Oh. What's up, Nick? Gonzo, thanks for the roses. Appreciate you. All right. Well, we're watching PMI right now. We're watching BNRG, and let's see where KUST has got me after that sell-off. Okay, well, it came back a little bit there. Get back over volume weighted average price. Push 320, break 320, go to 338, 386, and possibly 435. That's the thought process there. There is a reason that the volumes gain. KUST's only got 626,000 shares on a float. Its average volume is 40,000. It's currently done 1.59 million. So something's up. Something's up. Not sure what. And there you go. You got to be careful with these. You see this all the time. You go, oh yeah, hey, it's going up, it's going up. Oh, it's gonna break out, it's gonna break out. Nah, just kidding. Not gonna break out. Yeah, that's what that looks like. Let's take a look at Celex again. Here's Celex, 44 cents. Let's see if she can do it. Man, slow morning. If you guys have any questions, throw them at me. If I feel like answering, I will. XCH. And in green today, happy, but you saw my message in the Discord. Yeah, let me take a look at your message in the Discord here. See if Celix wants to go. The message yesterday or the message today, or let's see. Oh yeah, yesterday. Yeah, man, I'm proud of you, dude. You're kicking ass. You're doing good. Couple little things here and there, but you're getting it. You're getting it, dude. You gave a little back, no big deal. That's what happens. You gave a little back. It's okay. Oh, that one. There you go. Could have been positive. Two. Yeah. That's okay, man. We all get a little greedy sometimes. We all get a little greedy sometimes. It shit just happens. You don't plan on it. I mean, there's a number of times I could have gotten out of stocks and I was just like, you know what? I think it's gonna get to this. And that's why I always tell you guys, levels over ego. Can I follow my own rule? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. You know, this is not an easy game to play. Can be fun at times, can like orbs. Take a look at orbs. Bigger float. Started moving just a little bit. It's only done 1 million so far. I'll put orbs over here. Let's see if this one can go Celix as well. Okay, I just got the live visibility restricted again for guiding people off the platform. I'm not guiding people off the platform yet, but I will at the end of this live. You're annoying, TikTok. All right. So I went ahead and appealed it again. And they'll come back with approved here in just a second. Or, I mean, there's been days where literally it's a day later and it'll say approved. It's ridiculous. All right. In the chat, I throw in there what your biggest problem is when you're trading. I'll put mine. That's my biggest problem. I overstay. Look at Celix getting up to that 59. Let's see if I can get it. Well, I put mine in the comments there. Let's see if you guys do the same. All right. YouTube. I just got to tell you guys because it says I got to log in. I don't get it. I'm streaming, but it says I got to log into chat. Okay. Look at that. Almost got it. There's 58. Come on. Come on. A little more. Celix, you can do it. Okay, W, you exit too early. Yeah, Marvel. Yeah, it's way big. It started yesterday. MRVL. And no, it's not not Marvel like the comic. I mean, same, but there we go. 58.63. Come on. Hey Tommy, were you able to get into trap detector and the website stuff? Night owl, patience is your biggest issue. Okay. Yeah. Well, so I'm telling you guys, if you draw levels on your chart, and again, some people like drawing levels, some people just don't give a shit. Um, the reason that I draw levels is to help myself be a little bit more accountable to my actions. Like in my mind, if it breaks this right here, breaks this trend line to the downside, obviously, then I know it's going to continue to go back down. If it holds, then it's moving up nicely. Okay, gets above volume weighted average price. That's a price level. Gets over that. Okay, now I know that the bulls are in control. So yeah, nice, David. Hey, I told you the Knights were gonna win. Yeah, the score was off, but that's okay. We still won. Let's go Knights. Golden Knights, baby. Forgot to wear my Golden Knights hat. It's because I always wear my work hat. This is my work hat. That's my work hat. Come on, Celix. Come on, KUST. You're above volume weighted average price. Now I need you to push. And we got our 59 on KUST. Oh, not quite. 5888. That's a lucky number, by the way, I think. Quite possibly. All right. For those of you getting the watch list, if you guys think the watch list is fire, because only a few of you actually responded to my question on what's your biggest problem when trading. Only a couple of you, not a whole lot, not a whole lot of participation going on in this chat. 29 of you in here. It's good to know. It's good to know. We might just throw this into somewhere else and yeah, we'll see. It's probably because they restricted my visibility. And let's see, did it? Not yet. Hasn't approved it yet. I don't understand how they want people to succeed on their platform if they don't approve your shit or they throw out restrictions all the time. Don't understand it. All right, how's Orbs doing? Orbs still trying. Volume's up to 3.3 million now on Orbs. I'll put Orbs right here real quick. So like I said, this is a bigger float. A little bit of barcoding going on. Not a whole lot, but it's starting to get some action. ORBS. Here's a 30-minute, nice little, oh, look at that. That's like a perfect half circle right there. It's like a perfect half circle. Double booby pattern there, up. Let's see if it can break 109. Needs to break 109. Breaks 109. You might have a shot at probably 132. 132. That's your first target. What? All right, here's your targets for this one. Yeah, these aren't that far away, but the stock doesn't move a whole lot. So on ORBS, I'd keep an eye on it. That volume's picking up a little bit. Yes, it's a bigger float. Yes, its average volume is bigger, but it could move. So remember, it has to break 109 and hold 109. Hold above it. Trade a little sideways, maybe even. Oh, hey, Thomas. Oh yeah, that says Tommy Gunn. Sorry about that. I am a little dyslexic, as you know. Okay, so no, gotcha. No, you weren't able to. That is weird. Night Owl, were you able to get into the stuff there? The trap. Hey, but I don't have access. Yeah, okay, that was. Yeah, like you guys let me know if you're subscribed to full access and you're unable to get into the trap detector. Still not working. Well, let's make sure here. Night Owl says no. I wonder if the website's having issues. Like if I were to log out and log back and get back in, if it would still let me in or not. Because right now it's not even letting me get into edit. Let's try that again. Let's close that. Let's close that. Close that. Let's close that. Reopen that. Did Celix hit the targets? Debbie? Oh yeah, we got target one. TP1, we came close to TP2 on Celix. It's doing a rising wedge pattern. Those that can't see, you just need to open your eyes. So you got there. You can draw it from there, dun, da, 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 and you can draw it from here to here, and you got yourself a rising wedge. Now look at this. This pattern broke down here, broke past my trend line, and what did I say that it's going to do after it breaks my trend line? Probably come down, right? So let's see if it does that. Still in it. KUST. MACD's not looking very strong. Consistent downtrend, even though it was trying to trend up. Couldn't break 290 there. Broke it there, but the breakout failed. It's getting closer. It's getting tighter to that volume weighted average price. So I'm not stressing that too much there yet on KUST. Come on, Celix. Let's go. You're almost there. Oh, boy. Man, the Discord's doing pretty good. Pretty good. There we go. Appeal approved. Why am I surprised? You throw a restriction at me and then appeal approved. I love it. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for blocking me for I don't know, 20 minutes there. That was fun. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. All right, let me get into the website here. Let's see. Let's see if I can fix this up real quick here for you. All right, trap detector, settings, access. All right, why don't you guys give it a shot now? It should be working. If anything, also refresh your browser. That could be a problem. You got to hit the refresh button as well. But it should work. It says right here, it says members with plan subscriptions. Yep, right there. All right. Well, Celix didn't quite get that 66 yet. Missed it by a penny. Working now. All right. There we go. I'm good to go. Thank you, Jay. Perfect. 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 Good, good, good. Now remember, those are just tools. You know, they give you information for you to make the educated choice that you do. Buy, sell, or hold. And remember, I'll never tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything. Thank you for sharing the live, Thomas. All right, KUST. Come on now. PMI is still trying to break through that 39. Well, 35 technically, but anyways, that's PMI. LASE pushing 340. Nice. LASE. There it is. I'm still in this on my small account. Let's see. Currently, I'm up 35 bucks on that. 37 shares, and I'm up 35 bucks. I'll take it. Why not? No, I'm not getting out of it. I want to see what this thing's going to do the rest of the day. Keeps getting stuck at that 340 on the LASE, but breaks that 340, could have a new high. There's 342. Come on, baby. Keep on pushing. I had a small 37 share position in that, so. Look at you burning trees. There's not a whole lot of participation in the room. I'm very curious here. Very curious. It says there's 41 of you in here. All right, let's do a poll. You think it's going to break 36 right now? It's at 350. Is it going to break 367? You think it's going to break 367? Fireballs, yes. Eggplants, no. Or just a plain yes or no. Or you put a one or a two. One yes, two no. All right, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. And here we go. There's 352, 353. Come on, baby. Keep on plugging. There's 368 right here. So, oh, never mind. Let's try that one more time. This line is 367, almost 368. This is your solid area of resistance right now. As you can see, it hasn't been able to get back and over that. It's tested. It's doing pretty damn good. I mean, look, once it broke out of this little downtrend here, boom. Stayed above volume weighted average price, and boom. And it hit 359. Didn't quite get 360. But hey, every stock needs a little break sometimes. Atomic Wax says no. He says eggplant. So he doesn't think it's going to get back over 360. All right, and we have on the YouTube, we have Jennifer Chung says 1, so yes. Not Owl says yes. All right, perfect. Let's see. And so you have SELX, as you can see, it broke the uptrend here, broke down a little bit. Could possibly be doing a slanted head and shoulders pattern. So it'll throw up another little shoulder here, and then it'll come back down to the volume weighted average price. If it breaks the volume weighted average price, and she's going to go down lower. Hopefully she doesn't. I mean, I don't mind going, back to volume weighted average price, but anything past that, I'd duck out. Yep. So I'm actually holding LASC. Sorry, Debbie, I just saw your question there. So I'm holding LASC from yesterday, about 240 on that. So yeah, just chilling with it. Looks like KUST's kicking my butt. It broke down and broke down some more. Look at that. What did I tell you guys? Breaks the trend line. Possibilities of it going down, continuing that downtrend are very high. And there you go. So now I'm down 27 bucks on 50 shares. So I'm down 50 cents again. We've been here before. That's why I'm just kind of hanging out. So now that you've got a little downtrend going here, you can draw yourself another little trend line. You can go from the tippity top of this one down to the top of that one, and we'll see what it does here. Is it going to just bounce off of it and continue downward, or is it going to break through this and continue on the way up? Doubtful. Thanks, Tommy. All right, let's keep on looking here. Man, SELX just couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. SDOT's a dangerous one. I'd be careful with that. YMAT in a nice little slow uptrend. Again, I gave targets on that earlier. PMI pushing at 38 again. BNRG couldn't break through, took a break all the way back down to 157. BNRG. All right, come on, KUST. Make your way back. I'm having a little bit of a allergy attack this morning. I don't know if you guys can hear it. DGXX making moves. Ah, DGXX making some moves. Whoops. I meant to click here. DGXX, it's one of them creepers. It's not really showing up on the scanners. Not really showing up on the scanners, but it's making some moves. I mean, it's up almost $1 under the radar. DGXX. 81 million float. I gotta get some coffee, blow my nose. I'm sorry. And my watch said stand up. Stupid. All right, I'm back. Got me some coffee, blew my nose. Should be okay to go now. Maybe. We'll see. Feel a sneeze coming on. All right, looks like KUST came up for me a little bit here. So yeah, so we were looking at DG, what was it? DGXX here. Did a little double top here at 886. Looks like it might take a break and come back down to volume weighted average price. Personally, I'd expect it to break $9 today. That's what I would expect DGXX to do. You guys got me for 9 more minutes here on TikTok and YouTube. Thank you, Night Owl. Thank you. I appreciate you. You guys hit 5,000 likes so far, so that's cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks. So there's the news on DGXX. DigiPower X announces 35 million commitment to purchase NVIDIA's next-gen Vera Rubin platform to expand NeoCloud's GPU as a service business. Yep, can't give you guys targets on WCT. I know it came down. That's okay. That's funny. GME just popped up 23.39. All right, there we go. So for those of you that thought LASE couldn't get over 360, haha, proved you wrong. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Let's go. 374. Come on, baby. Break $4 and we can go parabolic here. That would be wonderful. Very nicely done there. 377. Beautiful. Come on, Lace. You can do it. Nobody said to listen to me. I never said anybody said to listen to you. It's okay. It's okay. It's the stock market, man. We're right and we're wrong. I mean, even when we're right, we're wrong. You know? According to the SEC, we're always wrong, no matter what we do. We're what's called dumb money. So yeah, so if you guys are interested and want this live to continue for you, you can go to my website and become subscribers of the Discord and the website. Yep, you can do that. And then after 5 o'clock. So when 5 hits, I go over to the Discord and I continue this live there. SNTG. Very low volume, 23,000. But its average is only 10,000. It's a small float, 1.06 million there. Look at Lace go. Jeez, nice. My little $100 account's up to 150 right now, so that's nice. Just off a Lace. Yeah. Come on, LASC. Oh, there we go. There's the your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in search results because it primarily directs people off the platform. So stupid. I have to appeal it again. And look, see, it changed my mood. It changed my attitude. And now look what it's doing. Look what LASC is doing. Yep. That's a million shares traded on one minute candle. So everything it gained on these candles right here, literally just dumped it. That's 2 million shares on this candle. 21. Wow. Basically, this candle and this candle put together is what this just did. That's amazing. All right, just had to write TikTok a message here because they're being ridiculous again. Anyways, so you guys got me for 3 more minutes. Lace came back down 360, so it's holding 360 good. That's a really nice spot for it to hang out at. So let's see. DEVS finally broke 70. It hit 72. DEVS. Devs. There's Devs 74, 78. Just hit 74, 78. Good job, Devs. That's awesome. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting the watch list, go to the website, go to jrockstocks.com. You can subscribe there for that. There you go. There you go. So go to this website here. We got 101 reviews, 100 reviews. Check that out. Here's our track record. Here's my track record. This is my track record here for the weekly Discord alert results. So the stuff that I alert on the Discord, alerted 20, 15 of them hit take profit 1. Accuracy is about 75% there. We got Mask, we got VCIG, OLOX, and CDT last week. Those were the top runners, with Mask being 175% up. This is how many watch lists I've put out there since July 13th of 2024. My prediction accuracy on Webull is 77.5, up from 77.37. Currently, it's up at 77.58, I think. Here's the watch list accuracy. Here are the receipts. So you see, I'm not just cherry picking. Literally, they're posted the night before, and this is how it looks. Okay, the green ones are obviously the ones that hit the targets. The red ones are the ones that missed. And if it broke through and it went past my take profit 3, there's usually a percentage here on the side, and that's usually the top runner. But you got 7 days of receipts here for the past week. There you go. All right, so there's that. If you want to know a little bit about me, you go here. I'm still working on this part. I got to revamp it. Here's the pricing right here. So you got the watch list only, $49.99. You got the Discord live trading room only, $69.99. And you have 1 year VIP full access. If you go ahead and sign up for the year, you're saving 40%. That's $479. Okay, for a whole 1 year subscription. This is full access right here, monthly. So per month, you pay $99.99. You get access to the Discord, you get access to the watch list, and you have a direct line to me. Sometimes I won't respond on TikTok. Sometimes I won't respond if you send me a message in my email, but more than likely, everything you guys ask for on the Discord, I respond to. So there you go. Okay. You got Learning Center here. If you don't know how to trade, you'll learn how to trade right here. You got some steps right up here. Just follow that. Helpful links right here. This is a trading toolkit. All these links here, those are the ones that I use when I'm trying to look at stuff. Okay. If you're subscribed to any of the plans right now, you have access to the trap detector, where you type in a company like SLX, SELX, you go there, you hit enter. So it did not pass the nuclear gate, which means that's good. If it passes, it'll say pass right here, which means it could go nuclear. This one is very clean compared to a lot of crap we look at. So it says clean-ish. Clean-ish is good. SLX, clean-ish is good. Look at this. Does it have fresh active dilution trigger? No. Recent prospectus 424B. Anything? No. Shelf S3, F3? No. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, crap. Look at that. It is 5 o'clock, so I got to get off. I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out with me on the TikTok and the YouTube. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.